This is 6th grade life science, and right now the students are learning about the process of cell division through online learning activities and also actually creating a model and making a stop motion video out of it. We started off by learning about cellular processes.
We were learning about cells in general and the organelles and all the processes that happen in the cell and how each cell survives.
I decided to make a project that would encompass what they have learned so far and actually have them build something with their hands and make it more of a hands-on experience. So this is one of their assessments, and this actually tells me that they, one, can look at information on their own and kind of answer some questions that are provided as well with the project, and two, that they can build and model something, which I think is a really important skill for this age group. They have been saying that this is so fun, that this is one of their favorite projects that they've done. It's been fun for me too, because I get to just see them not really just do something purely academic where they're just studying or just taking notes, but they're bringing themselves through the learning process and they actually get to create something in the end.